You guys asked for it, and today is the day. Hi guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Today I have huge news because I just released my Dutch pour bloem course. If you are dying to create those flowers, then this course is for you. I guide you along step by step in a full process. There are a lot of components that need to come together to create certain effects. And within the Dutch pour bloem, there are multiple ways to create different blooms as well. I know for sure you're gonna enjoy this course a lot. I'm so proud. It's available on smartartcourses.com, and to celebrate this day and this release, I'm running a sale till the end of the year, and you can get $30 off with coupon code DUTCH30. I can't wait to see what you guys think of this course and what you're gonna create. Of course, for today, I'm gonna do a Dutch pour bloem, and I have something interesting in mind. So let's get started. All right, so let's get started with the base. And I emphasize this as well in the course. The base is one of the most important processes of the Dutch pour bloem. And maybe you see it, I have my extenders by Erica Hughes, and I'm trying them out for the first time. So easy to attach your canvas to. And this is a 60 by 60 centimeter canvas, and that's definitely my favorite size for these blooms. In the course I did create a very big one. It's definitely one of my favorites now too. And of course I'm shooting this video before you see it, and I know for sure when this video will go live I will be refreshing the course to see the sales. It's so nerve-wracking. It's really nerve-wracking, and it's also piece of dried paint. It's also, how do you say that, quite fragile to put yourself out there, not only on YouTube but also creating a course. This base does look perfect to me. Torch it again, and then let's start with the colors. And I do have something different for this one. So what I want to do, I have here yellows and some oranges, is first I will create a bottle with this beautiful azo yellow deep. Some dark orange, azo orange. Touch of Van Dyke brown to create the contrast. Not too much, just a little. Gold, you know, I can't do without my gold. Alright, and then around this I will pour two separate colors. So the idea is to have different colored petals. So this is a primary yellow. I'm feeling, you know, happy, fresh today, so let's go with these colors. It's so cold outside. Also, when I came here in the studio, whew, it was cold. Alright, so this is a Naples yellow red. Together with the yellow and oranges, it looks more like a pink, more of a skin color really. Let's start blowing this out. Alright, blow dryer. And I would love to have 5 petals in this painting, but let's do the first blowout first. That does look gorgeous. Alright, well this is cool because now it's half-half. Half with the primary yellow and half with the Naples yellow red. Naples yellow, red. Ooh, do I have room for one more blowout? Yeah. Well, what do we have here? Okay. Where's the here's the torch. I will torch the center first. Get some nice cells going there. Only in the center. Ooh! This color. This... what is it? Cadmium yellow deep. That's gorgeous. I will tweak the petals so they're more defined. This is a great start. Let's go slow first. First time spinning with these extensions too. Super smooth. Yeah, it's really starting to move now. A lot towards one side. So I feel like spinning this out quite far. Normally I don't do that, but with this one I think I will. This is really starting to look like something I can definitely work with. Okay, let's see, because I do want to touch up some parts first. I do love this side a lot, by the way. Here in the yellow, it's too harsh for me. I just want a soft, sweet, cute painting. Probably I'm in the mood for that. I'll take my silicone wedge. And here I will try in the white some of this on. So I will fill that in with white and then spin it out just a little bit more to create more natural edges. But I'm loving how soft this is looking, really. A lot of contrast in the center. And I love the split. Yellow and Naples yellow, red. Ooh! I'm so happy with this result. So soft. It's totally my mood for today. Very loving. happy, sweet. Feels sweet today. Okay, so one more little go, and then you know this painting is done for me. Total different flower, but this one, it's romantic. It's really romantic. If you want to learn how to create Dutch pour blooms like this, or these, or others, go check out smartartcourses.com and I'll see you there.